Good morning everyone, my name is Kanish and today we are going to talk about Google Analytics and popular applications like sumo and Size 22. Let's start with Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a premium web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic currently as a platform inside a Google Marketing Cloud. Google launched this service in November 2005 after it required blueprint. Google Analytics is now the most widely used service on the internet. You already know that. Plus, Google Analytics also provides us an SDK manager that allows us to make application and gather data using iOS and Android application used as that can also be known as Google Analytics for mobile applications. Now, integrated Google AdWords that can be used as user review online campaign by tracking landing page quality and conversion that can be goals for you. Goals might include sales, leads, generations, viewing a specific page, for downloading a particular file. Google Analytics approach to show high-level dashboard type of data that can be for a casual user and more in-depth data further than a report set. Google. Google Analytics can also analyze and identify truly by performing pages with techniques such as funnel visualization, where visitor came from refers, and how long they have stayed on the website, and how the geographical position of the users on the website can also be known from this Google Analytics software. Now it has also provided more advanced features including custom visitor segmentation, like Google Analytics e-commerce reporting and tracks sales activity on your website. Like if you have a website and you're working on e-commerce reports that can be used for your transaction revenue and many other commerce related metrics. On September 29, 2011, Google Analytics launched a real-time analytics enabling a user to have an insight about visitor currently on the site. That can be very useful. Like before, we used to have analysis of what data already been done. Now we can have a analysis of the data at the users on the website at a particular time. The users can have 100 site profiles, each profiling generally corresponding to one website. It is limited to a site which have traffic of fewer than 5 million pages per month, roughly like 2 page views per second. Page unless the site is linked to an adverse campaign, like you can have so many ads. We already know that how Google make money. Yeah. Now starting with Google analysis, Google cohort analysis feature. This helps us to understand the behavior of a component group of users apart from the user population. It is beneficial to marketers and analytics for the successful implementation of marketing strategies. In a recent development, Google is a beta testing a new Google Analytics software named as Google Signals. Google Signals let users to track signed-in users across devices, including browsers, mobile applications, mobile devices, so that you can have different users on different platform of your device, like on a mobile, on a web, and you can use all the data to collect and gather information for them. Now we are going to talk about BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is the very powerful tool that allows any user to find out what content is popular by topic on any website. In order to provide a content that people want to know, you need to know what is popular. You can take hours scanning of various social sites to find out the taking about their concerns and needs. Being able to input certain search criteria, analyzing the content, finding out already working in your area can be priceless. Marketer of to help sharpen your focus and give you direction. BuzzSumo is a tool. As with any system, the best way to use BuzzSumo will depend on where you are in your context marketing and what will you hope to achieve. Let's take an example to understand the following. Rayon is a pet grooming business. Okay, we had a line of all natural grooming products that we wanted to try on the market and on greater scale than locally. Using BuzzSumo, it is set up keyword alerts for pet grooming and natural pet care. He started to get alerts that showed him who was discussing some topics and joined some of the user forums and groups. He started a blog. That blog found topics that are related to pet care. BuzzSumo allowed him to see who the influencers were in the area, and he worked on creating a relationship with these people, eventually getting them to make their guest posts on this blog. and like every time the user will be visiting, he will be visiting his guest flow, and he can use him there as a bait. As list grew, he used BuzzSumo to find out what kind of products and potential customer are most wanted. He checked on his closest competitors and was able to see that only was experiencing more traffic than he was. By analyzing that his competitor was doing differently, Ray was able to see like his competitor did differently. Like he helped him tweak his own campaign. By being available and approachable to customers online, he was able to learn how the natural pet care field lagged and the people wanted, and then helped him to expand his offering, therefore increase interest. So that's a quick overview of powerful tool. BuzzSumo has both a solid free version and paid plans for bigger business. The free plan is definitely something to check out and use regularly. Now we are going to talk about Siphon. What's a Siphon? Siphon is a self-service cloud-based business intelligence application software. Your company based in Los Angeles, California. The company is known for its creation and the business of dashboard design to analyze the transformation and report data from different integrated sources of business. It is a premium application to track, monitor, and all business metrics in a single place. Now we are talking about core markets in the United States. While in the core markets are still located in the United States, Saif has been exploited globally and operative in 15 countries totally worldwide through the Hyundai network. Now we are talking about co-scheduling of these marketing skills. An all-in-one calendar for in one house marketing team, agency and small business and small entrepreneurs have higher education. The cloud-based app can be used to build content, elaborate with them, members, schedule campaign and social posting and streamline execution. As for the marketing calendar for organization, co-schedules allows users to build out the entire marketing strategy for one calendar. We can elaborate with the teams, with other teams, team their entire execution process in one place. Users can also create a unified workflow for every project and co-schedule track for a calendar drop and sync their team inside a collaborative, functional and calendar for social content and email events and more. Now we are talking about co-schedules. How can co-schedules allow us for marketing easily? How can it be so easily to work on a co-scheduler? Collaborators on project design, tasks and comments meet the project's deadlines. With custom workflow, the team stays accountable and progress can be tracked for each project. And users can build the perfect social scheduling in the calendar tools and avoid wasting time jumping from one tool to another. Business can also gain powerful insight through their overall progress in one report schedule using co-schedule, and they can focus on driving productivity and meeting deadlining rather than when we are working on something we can have it working progress for scoring the calendar for status update. We can also use the co-scheduler for that. Now we're starting with the Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a media managing software. It can use for solutions to help you find, form and deeper real connection with the people you love your brand. Now Qnity is a very simple and it makes very simple for you individual to get started with a minimalistic interference to emphasize on the first thing. There is started adding profiles. Qnity supports data for Facebook, Twitter, Google Form, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, everything. Now for talking about Twitter starts with the student and LinkedIn. You might have authenticated with your account for them to start pulling data on you specific. That's for today. Thank you everyone for listening.